Join me as I take on the challenge of making $1 billion coins in just 60 minutes. Can I pull it off? Did you know that the world's fastest gamers can earn billions of in-game currency in just minutes? What if I told you there's a way you can too, without hacks, cheats, or breaking the rules? Curious? Let's unlock the secret to earning a staggering $1 billion coins in just 1 hour. Whether you're a pro gamer or just starting out, you've probably faced the grind, hours of gameplay for a few measly coins. It's frustrating, right? But what if you could turn the tables, master the strategies, and rake in massive in-game wealth at lightning speed? It's not just a dream, it's entirely possible, and today, I'll show you how. The problem is most players don't know where to begin. They waste time grinding low-reward tasks or playing inefficiently. Games are designed to keep you invested, stretching out progress for days, weeks, or even months. But here's the twist. The same games that slow you down also offer hidden opportunities, high-reward strategies that most players overlook. Here's the plan. To make $1 billion coins in an hour, you need to focus on 3 key elements: efficiency, strategy, and opportunity. First, target high-reward activities. These could be rare missions, limited time events, or items you can flip for massive profits. Next, master the game's mechanics. The more you understand about the game's economy and progression systems, the better you'll be at exploiting them to your advantage. Finally, team up or trade wisely. Multiplayer games, in particular, offer incredible opportunities for collaboration and profit sharing. Let me share an epic example. Alex, a gamer from New York, was stuck grinding for hours in his favorite RPG, earning pennies compared to what he wanted. But then he discovered a trick: completing rare quests and flipping high-demand items in the marketplace. With just 1 hour of focused gameplay, Alex earned over $1 billion coins. Stories like his prove that with the right mindset and strategy, massive success is possible. Still skeptical? Let me break it down further. Most games reward players who know how to work smarter, not harder. Join me as I take on the challenge of making $1 billion coins in just 60 minutes. Can I pull it off? Some of the best strategies include participating in limited time events with boosted rewards, farming rare resources in high demand zones, or even negotiating profitable trades with other players. The key is knowing where to invest your time for the maximum return. But here's the twist: success isn't just about knowing what to do, it's about execution. Consistency and quick decision-making are your best allies. And while making $1 billion coins in an hour might sound extreme, the right strategies can help you earn exponentially more than you're used to. Imagine logging off after just an hour of gameplay, sitting on a fortune of in-game wealth. You can buy rare items, dominate leaderboards, and even trade coins for real-world value in some games. This is more than just gaming. It's turning your hobby into a power move. Are you ready to make it happen? Think about the games you play. What high-reward strategies are you missing out on? What's stopping you from mastering the game's economy and dominating the competition? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we'll reveal the best tools and secrets to gaming success. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to level up your gaming and your coins.